Welcome to Car Show 1, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Whether it's cars, trucks, or cutting-edge technology, we bring you the best and most exciting features from the world of vehicles. If you love innovation and powerful machines, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 Scania Truck, a vehicle that perfectly blends innovation, durability, and efficiency. Scania is already a legendary name in the trucking industry, and with this latest release, they're setting a new standard for what a modern heavy-duty truck can achieve. Let's talk about its design first. The 2025 Scania Truck boasts a bold and futuristic look, crafted to enhance both style and functionality. The aerodynamic lines and sleek bodywork reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency, making it perfect for long-haul journeys. Its signature LED headlight design ensures superior visibility and gives the truck a modern, commanding presence on the road. The sturdy build and upgraded chassis provide not only durability but also better weight distribution for heavy loads, ensuring optimal performance no matter the conditions. Under the hood, the 2025 Scania Truck is powered by a highly efficient hybrid drivetrain. Scania has combined a state-of-the-art diesel engine with an advanced electric motor to create a powertrain that delivers maximum power while minimizing emissions. This hybrid system allows for seamless transitions between power modes, ensuring smooth performance and improved fuel economy. The truck's range has also been significantly enhanced, making it a reliable choice for long-distance hauls while being environmentally friendly. The interior of the 2025 Scania Truck is where comfort meets innovation. The driver-centric cabin is designed with ergonomics in mind, featuring premium materials and a layout that minimizes fatigue during extended trips. The fully digital dashboard displays critical information clearly and integrates with the latest navigation systems and fleet management tools. A high-resolution touchscreen provides access to vehicle settings, entertainment, and real-time performance metrics, giving drivers complete control at their fingertips. The cabin also includes a spacious and comfortable sleeper area, equipped with climate control, noise insulation, and smart storage solutions to keep everything organized. Whether you're on a short trip or a cross-country haul, the 2025 Scania ensures drivers can work and rest in the utmost comfort. Safety is another area where Scania excels. The truck is packed with cutting-edge safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Additionally, a 360-degree camera system and advanced sensors give drivers a complete view of their surroundings, reducing blind spots and enhancing overall safety. With semi-autonomous driving capabilities, the 2025 Scania Truck also takes some of the stress out of long journeys, making them safer and more efficient. The 2025 Scania Truck represents a bold step forward for the industry. Its sleek design, hybrid powertrain, advanced technology, and focus on comfort and safety make it a standout vehicle. Scania has once again proven why it's a leader in the world of heavy-duty trucks. That's all for today's episode on Car Show 1. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know your thoughts on this incredible truck. Stay tuned for more exciting automotive content.